Hey, you got Trucker Tim here. I ain't made a video in a couple weeks, but I've been busy getting a new job and all. I wanted to make a video. This is a video of my new truck. Well, company truck, but look how shiny it is. I work for Good to Go Transport. Look at that nice shiny truck. I mean, it looks good. Yeah, I've been busy. I went back to work 3 or 4 days ago. I've been kicking it. I've been putting down the miles. I've been walking the dog and kicking the cat. Burning the rubber. I got a job now. I'm supposed to go to work for that other guy being home every day, but I think I'll stick with this guy here. Get paid a percentage of the load. Me and him talk a lot. We bullshit a lot, so. Nice shiny 2014 Freightliner Cascadia. I gotta take it to Georgia. It's got a lifter sticking in it. Sometimes you can hear it if I get close by when it's idling. Sounds like on the driver's side, I'm delivering right now. Delivering a load. Dropping hook. Sounds like a little miniature Superman squirrel underneath the valve cover trying to get the hell out. Like, get me out of here. Boom, 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 boom. Hitting on the top of that, inside that valve cover. God almighty, man. So I'm going to take it down to Union City, Georgia tomorrow night. Stay all night down there, get it fixed. Bobtail down there. Can you believe somebody don't know what bobtailing is? Wow. All right. Gotta go. Later.